Hey y'all, welcome to the Houston Gardening Novice channel. I'm a newbie gardener here in Houston, Texas, Zone 9B. Half the time I don't know what I'm doing, but I enjoy trying things out and figuring out what works for me. I hope you can join me in my gardening journey as I slowly work on building my backyard sanctuary. So I want to go ahead and start a new batch of compost. I use this tumbler bin here for my compost. It has two chambers. The right chamber here has compost that's ready, and the left chamber here is where I've been adding my scraps. So I want to go ahead and remove this that's ready on this side, empty that out, and then start a new batch. So typically what I do is I use half brown material, which is using pepper, shredded pepper, and half green material. So these are just kitchen scraps, vegetable kitchen scraps, fruits and veggies. Sometimes I'll add prunings if I have prunings. That will also be the greens. So when I harvest compost, I store it in this bin right here. So this is some of what has remained from the last harvest, and it's so I use this in my vegetable garden. Okay, so this is messy work, and it's not really pretty. So I'll go ahead and get started, and I'll take you along with me. All right, let's get started. Okay, I'm done harvesting the batch. This is what we have. The white stuff are eggshells. Those take a really long time to break down, and I don't grind the eggshells like you're supposed to, but eventually they'll break down in the garden. So that batch is done. That will be going in my fall garden. So now let's get the new batch started. Okay, I'm done for today. So this is how the new batch looks like when you start. It's half and half, half carbon and half nitrogen source. And this is the batch on this the side. So this is what we'll be cooking for the next few months. So this chamber has, the cover has, there is a clock and there's a plus sign right here. So I'll slide it back just for as a reminder that from now on I'll be adding the new scraps and paper and trimmings to the side, and this side I will stop adding and we'll let it cook. So I still have some paper left. I'll be adding that. I have a few bags here, 2 bags left. I'll be adding that as I get more kitchen scraps. I'll be adding the paper and the kitchen scraps at the same time, and any prunings. I need to prune today anyway, so whatever prunings I get out of that, I'll come and throw them in here. And this will be ready. It's now the end of July. I will let this cook for the next few months, and I will be using this side for this compost in the spring garden. And for my fall garden, I'll be using this batch that I started in the spring. So it will be going in my fall vegetable garden. Okay, I think that's everything for today. I'll stop right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Thank you. Bye.